KeyDigital, the experts in digital audio-visual and control systems.
Hi, good morning. My name is Mike Tsinberg. I'm a president of KeyDigital Systems, and I will spend a little bit of time to tell you about our new technology strategy and direction that's called basically AV over IP, AVOP. We published recently a white paper on our website. You can go there and check it out. This a little bit more details you'll find on that paper. So AV over IP is the next generation connectivity for audio-video marketplace. It basically allows to send audio, video, and all the other information over internet like switch, IP switch, standard IP switch that's now is widely used for all other connectivity communication purposes in today's corporate and other infrastructures. And that actually lowers the manpower and increases reliability throughout the installation by unifying all the connectivity through IP type switch. It also gives a lot of flexibility to traditional AV installer. For example, number of inputs and outputs. Traditionally, HDBaseT, HDMI products and switches demand fixed connectivity layout. So if you have 4 inputs, 4 outputs, you have to buy 4x4 switch and 8x8 switch, 16x16, and so on. If you're using IP switch and AV over IP, you're not actually connected, or you're not forced to have a decision of specific inputs and outputs. All you limited is a number of the ports that your IP switch has. For example, if you use a 24-port switch, you have 24 ports that could be both inputs or outputs. Depends on configuration, depends on type of encoders or decoders you'll use for audio and video going in, going out of that switch. So if your original decision of 24-port switch is to make, let's say, 21x3 metric switch, and later on you want to decide it and we wanted to make, let's say, 18x5 switch, you can certainly change that easily without changing the switch, just by changing amount of encoders and decoders using to go in and out of that switch. So that's one big flexibility issue, which allows you to create almost any possible network. And another one which also brings with AV over IP is the ability to use processing power in the decoder units to create video walls. So each of the decoder units could actually display only part of the image. In that case, you can create a very large video wall, like we display here, 4x6 type mock-up, which is 24 monitor video wall. And with our products, you can go up to 10x10, which is 100 monitor video walls, very big video walls. And these video walls can display the whole image, or you can display a few different images on it from different sources, and you can easily manipulate that how the image is displayed using our software, which you can get demos through iOS app and on our website. So that's kind of a very big flexibility issue of making metric switches, video walls, as well as IP. Since it's a standard communication protocol, every other communication connectivity signal type can be put through it. Like on these devices, we have a REST-32 IR ports that can go convert the signal to IP protocol, go in and out of the switch, connect between any encoder and decoder, any master controllers, and that will allow you to create very versatile big control system as well that's running on this device. So the flexibility goes very deeply here. It could be flexible of the system, flexible of the data type, and you can have an AV installer now be linked to a standard commodity type IP connectivity technology, cables, extenders, switchers, that lowers the cost, increases reliability, and overall makes the system much more reliable. In addition, this is all actually basically possible by advance of compression technology. We have a paper again in our Knowledge Center about compression. there are two types of compressions that are used here. One that has 1 gigabit throughput, another is less than 15 megabit throughput. They all have different advantages and disadvantages. I'm also recommending you to check this paper out. And we have also two types of products here. One product is 1 gigabit product, which has low latency and 4K UHD capability. Another product, which we call IP1080, which has high latency and works only with an ATP resolution, a lower cost, and have a higher latency. So it depends on product application. You would choose latency, various latency for these products. Overall, this kind of a technology allows you to actually break out from a one-box solution to a small processing boxes solution, all linked throughout your installation through IP switch using IP connectivity, which is very contemporary and very reliable way of creating large pro audio video installation. Thank you very much.